it's Gwen. It's been a long time since I posted anything here, but here I am with another new tutorial. So here I'm gonna do an evaporate text tutorial on Alight Motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall post next. Okay, so without any further ado, just create a project and name it into whatever you want. And here I'm gonna name it evaporate. Now you can insert anything you want to write in your edit. Here I'm just gonna use example. Choose whatever you want to use, but here I'm gonna use the color black. For the first letter, don't change it into any position, just make it into the original size, which is the middle. Okay guys, so now it's duplicating time. And here, I'm gonna duplicate it into 7 words since I'm writing example. An example have 7 letters. Okay guys, after duplicating all the letters you've made, now you're gonna need to position it into their places. It's very super simple. Just press the layer and go to move and transform and press the uppest button and just follow my steps. Okay guys, after placing all the letters into its place, press a random layer and add an effect. Go to blur and add fast box blur. And right now you're just gonna need to mess up with all the keyframes. You can follow my settings or making it your own. It's all up to you. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna group all the layers into one and I'm gonna add an Advaced. Now it's time to add an Advaced. Go to distortion and wrap and add wave warp. And here, it's time to mess up with the keyframes. You can follow my setting on making it your own. It's very optional and it's all up to you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.